So how do you feature a photo on the iPad? Let's talk about this. But if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So to feature a photo means to make it go like be part of your favorites or selected photos which appear in your widgets or in some other places. And there isn't any direct way to do this, but there are some indirect ways. For example, when you go to the Photos app, you can make sure that you swipe up on the image and you just click on the like button or the heart icon to make sure that you set it and mark it as favorite, right? This will give like a hint to the iPad's operating system that you like this image and you want it to be featured in your widgets or in some other places as well. The other way to manage featured photos is to, for example, remove those which you don't want to be featured. And if you have a picture of a face of some person, you can tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then click on don't feature this person, right? And it just means that that photo will, or that person will not be like showing up in your featured photos. But yeah, these are all of the like indirect methods. Keep in mind, however, that if you want your photos to show up on your home screen in the widgets, you don't have to stick with the built-in Photos app widget. You can also download some third-party ones from the App Store, right? So you can literally just look up photo widget, and there are plenty of apps which let you specifically like pick and decide which photos are going to appear right there in your widgets, and that's another good alternative a lot of people use. So let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the future videos.